Chris, what you think about the duct work you got to do over here? What you think, August?
That's a piece of shit.
Alright guys, we all here. We about to have some fun. What these guys here having a whole hell of a lot more fun than me.
Yeah, apparently it's supposed to be sixes, but it's like some eights and some fours and everything else, and I'm pretty sure this crowd's a dog shit, so.
Just a little dirty, huh? What the hell is that shit? Jesus, I don't even want to know. And you know what? I ain't fucking with it either. Okay guys, it looks like I'm heading to do a punch list type of work this morning. And there ain't no damn where to park. So I'm supposed to talk to a lady about coordinating where I can park at. Undoubtedly, I'm going to have to go up and park a block away from the job. So I've got to go talk with this lady in order to find out where I can park the van at. So this is going to be just lovely starting off this morning. Alright guys. It looks like I got to go to 329 West Columbia Avenue. Okay. I hate to even see this cluster. From what I've heard from everybody in the office is there's going to be no room. We've already got our duck guys out here tearing duck out, which is going to take like 2 days in order to even do that. Supposed to be a floor man here, and supposed to be somebody moving shit out of the house. I mean, I don't know. 329. Let's see, what are we looking at, guys? Oh, okay. Right here.
The destination is on your right. 329 West Columbia Avenue.
Okay. Yeah, look at this, guys. Oh, yeah. I ain't getting in there. Guys. So I'm gonna have to park way the hell over here in this parking lot and walk across the damn road and all this horse shit. Oh my goodness. See, that's where we gotta go, way over there. Way over there where there's like 3 or 4 trucks parked in the way. And this is where I'm parking. So, damn. Don't y'all just love your job? Or, let me take that back. Don't I just love my job? I do, but right now, not really. Coil, dual run capacitor, and the drip leg. We're going to start with that. Alright guys, let's get it. First thing on the list is capacitor right here, guys. Put a brand new 50/5 on here. Got to get that bad boy in there. Got to get it in there. Numero uno, first thing, guys. Alright guys, got that capacitor changed out. Here's the old one. Undoubtedly it was bumped up, it was bad. I don't know. I'm just here to replace it, so I ain't even gonna bother checking it. Number 1, done. Next on the list is gonna be the cleaning this condenser coil, y'all. Damn. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the old grills off. Alright guys. Got the grills off. Yeah. Alrighty. Just a little dirty, huh? Alright guys. Alright guys. Number 2, done. Got the coil cleaned off. It ain't wearing a foil coat no more. Alright, alright. 2 done, guys. Alright guys, number 3, the next thing I gotta do is replace this appliance hose that's going to the gas furnace here. Alright, gotta replace this piece here. First thing I want to do is cut the gas cock off, and gotta put a drip leg in it too. So I'm gonna go back with 1/2 inch or either 3/4, whatever I got in my tray, and hopefully whatever I got I can make it work. But that'll be the 3rd thing I gotta do, guys. Alright guys, number 3, I had to put a new gas cock in it. Put a little 1/2 inch union, reduced down from 3/4 to 1/2 inch right here, and went on in, hard piped it all the way in. So that is going to be 3rd thing done. Moving on to something else, guys. And here we go, guys. I'm in the upstairs unit, and continuing with the punch list. Next thing on the list, I got to go over here and get to the grommets on the liquid line, the suction line, and where the thermostat penetrates through the cabinet. Oh my God, what the hell is that shit? Jesus, I don't even want to know. And you know what? I ain't fucking with it either. We ain't coming back to this house. Oh God. Alright guys, looks like I'm gonna have to put a grommet in here, and I guess stick this grommet inside the cabinet like it's supposed to be. I don't see a big deal. The inspector was nitpicking on this because that looked pretty good, but I'll get it poked in there the way it's supposed to be. And I think one other thing that needed to be done was where the low voltage comes in here. I've got to get a grommet around those wires. Get that done. That'll be another check off the list. Alright guys. Okay guys, I've got my gasket, my grommet in here on the liquid line where it penetrates through the cabinet of the air handler, and I've got my grommet around the suction pipe where it penetrates through the air handler as well. Okay, got that in there nice and neat. And the last thing I had to do was get 24 volts through the bottom of the cabinet with a grommet. And there we go, right there guys. Got that all the way around, got that done. So I guess we're 4 and done. Number 4 is done. Alright guys, the 5th thing I got to do is replace the capacitor on this rear unit. This is the rear unit back here. And this will be the last thing that I got to do, is change out that bad 35.5 capacitor. So let's do it. Alright guys, got the old bad capacitor here. That is 5 and done. Alright guys, let's get out of here. It's lunchtime, right?